Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jocy here. On today's video, I am going to do another review of the L'Oreal product. So I'm talking about this L'Oreal Perfect Match Nude Serum Foundation. I got it in 2 to 3 shade, which is light. It has 1% pure hyaluronic acid. They said that it has a anti-aging effect which plump the skin, and it comes in 9 shades. And what does it says here? After 6 weeks of using here, you will have a plump skin, and also has a mild, like, dried, I don't know how do you say that in English, Trockenheitfältchen. Is it like dry wrinkles? You say that? This is also recommended for people with sensitive skin. It is not comedogen and dermatologically tested. What happened? I just woke up, guys. I just wanted to share with you because today I went to the gym, and so I did a little bit of training, and it's like a spa day for me. And after doing the gym, did some sauna they said in German, and it's like this really very warm room. And then you're sweating so much, it opens up the pores, and then you just shower yourself with cold water. And after I got home, I wanted to vlog right away, but then I got so tired. I was so relaxed that I just wanted to sleep. And right now I just woke up, drink a cup of coffee, and now I'm ready to vlog with you. So again, we are going to try this item right here, and yeah, let's see what is the effect of it on my skin. And I just want to, like, try this one with not so much product, like having a very light foundation. And because I have tried the Perfect Match foundation a couple of days ago, and the consistency is like serum foundation, so I am very curious if it really has a consistency like this one or not. So it comes in a bottle, and there is a dropper. I have not tried this one yet though. Ooh, look at that. It is too. Look at this. Very liquidy, guys. So let me show you on a plate, on my magic plate, okay? It's 1 drop. So it's more liquidy compared to the other one, yet I'm like making a mess here. That's it. Now, since I have their website ready in front of me, I wanted to see how we should use them. They said put a drop of L'Oreal Paris Perfect Match Tinted Serum on your face, then distribute the 2-in-1 serum and foundation from the inside out, and massage it gently into the skin of the face until everything is evenly distributed. After that, the serum should be veneered well. Now we're going to try that. So I've got that here, and just have to put it all over our face, and there. I already primed my skin, guys. You see that? So I think for somebody whose skin is like mine, so I've got like some blemishes all over my face right now. Pimples are popping everywhere. And yeah, I'm not sure if this one is right for you. I am not so delicate when it comes to foundation. No, what I wanted to say, I like foundation which are light. I don't like it to be thick and like covering so much of my skin. I want to have the feeling that my skin is still breathing. Now that is the effect, guys, for the first pump. I want to try another more. It's like a mess here. This one is so drippy, so we're going to try that again, and then drop. Like, I really wanted to like thicken it a little bit. So this is the second layer, but this really feels like, you know, that when you're putting serum in onto your face, like that's the feeling exactly. It doesn't feel thick at all. It feels so light, so gentle onto your face, and look at that. And so far, I'm actually liking it, even though it's not covering so much. So if you are somebody who love like full coverage, maybe this is not meant for you. But I love, like what I've said, I love lightweight foundation which covers my imperfection, but I don't want to have like a mask. Like if you saw somebody online and in reality you will be shook because they're not real. They don't seems like one person. That's what I meant. Okay. Oh God. You see how fast it was? Now I'm just gonna powder my face, put some eyebrows on, maybe some tint and so on, and then I will get back to you and tell you what I think of this product. See you in a bit. Result. Now you can see that my skin is not perfectly flawless. Therefore, this is the right canvas when you are trying foundation, because you could see like real skin. It's not like fake. I have no filter on, and still I love this foundation serum from L'Oreal Paris. Perfect match. It's perfect match for me, and I think I would buy this in the future because it feels very lightweight. It feels like as if I am not wearing any foundation at all. It doesn't feel sticky, doesn't feel tacky at all. When I applied the product, it absorbed right away into my skin. Like, not it absorbed, it's just that when I applied it, it was distributed evenly. With the other L'Oreal Perfect Match foundation, that was not the serum, the one that I have tried like a week ago. That one, I really need to blend it also, but not that much still. But this one, I just put it on my hands, distribute it like a normal serum, lotion, face foundation, or whatever. Yeah, then it was already doing well. So I will definitely gonna recommend this to those people who wants to have very light coverage. Maybe if you are not suffering from acne, if you don't like to have full coverage also, because even if you are suffering from acne, sometimes you need to think about it. You need to choose a foundation which allows your skin to breathe also, and I think this one is giving me that effect so far. Maybe we should try a wear test for the entire day some other time, but right now I am loving it. I am feeling good with it, and like what I said a while ago, I just powdered my face and put some contour and blush on a little bit of balm, and yeah, mascara and some brow. That's it. I did not even use any concealer at all, because I think that is the purpose of this foundation serum, for you to feel good into your skin, have this very light coverage. But maybe for some people who are longing for a very full coverage foundation, then maybe this is not the right foundation serum for you. However, to those people who are longing to have like just a little coverage, feeling lightweight, doesn't feel heavy at all, then maybe this one is good for you. And I hope you do like this video, guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, and click that notification bell, and subscribe also, of course, so you will not miss any of my video. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.